in order to communicate with ChatGPT, we need to know this structure. Okay, everyone may communicate with the ChatGPT. Yes, right now you are using ChatGPT, right? But this is the way of professionally using how we have to develop the prompt. Okay, now we are discussing the prompt, anatomy of the prompt. This will take only a little bit of time. After that, we jump into the labs. Okay, so what is that? Okay, prompt is a question or a request or a set of instruction or information that we are giving to our AI model, which will be guide our response. Okay, so it will be automatically guided. So you have to say to the mission structurally, very clearly. There should not be no ambiguity should be there to communicate with the mission, especially AI model. Okay. For example, what are the 5 important parts they are? This is a very important question also. Those who are doing currently prompt engineering, this will be expected question. I'm telling you. So what is the structure? So in your query, in your question, you should first understand the what is persona. So persona means who you are. You have to explain the mission that who you are actually. So you are a teacher. Yes, I am a teacher. If you say, and if you are a student, I am a student of 10th class. So like that you have to do. I'm a student of MCA. I'm a student of BTech. You have to say to the mission who you are. Okay, so because the mission should understand who is writing the query, so that it will concise his answer and it will precise his answer and give as exactly it is. Now after that, you should be concentrate on the aim. What is your objective to ask the mission? Okay, sorry. State your objectives and comment that. Okay, what is your going to do? What is your major specific task? Okay, I want to design this one. I want to do this one. I want to do that one. Or maybe I want this code. I want to write some notes. This is the thing you have to be very clear. And after the third point is you should be clear about who is your target audience. That is who is your target audience, which audience you are targeting. You have to clearly set the mission. Okay, you are writing this query for 10th class students or a 5th class student or engineering students or MCA students, or you are targeting for any specific audience or maybe around you. So this you have to clearly mention to the system. Okay, that what is your theme? You also mentioned to the system that your style and tone, how it will be professional tone. If you are interested, you ask that professional tone. Okay, so for example, if you want to write any professional letters to the HR manager, right? So how to write? So you have to mention, you have to clearly give that. What is your theme of your particular query? Now we will see all these examples so that you can understand. And what is your structure of the output? So how your output should be coming out. So while you are writing the prompt, these 5 parts you have to clearly keep in your mind. Then only it will give you right answer. Many people are using the ChatGPT, Gemini, and Meta AI and all, but they are not writing the prompt professionally. This is called prompt engineering. I'm telling you, new engineering branch is going to come in now. Already IITs have already implemented this. Okay, now it is going to come to the autonomous colleges very soon. That the prompt engineering, like AML, prompt engineering. Prompt engineering telling about what? It is simply you have to design and a proper and a perfect prompt so that the system should give the exact one. Simply we are thinking something in our mind, but how a machine can understand? We have to give proper way. We have to give professional way. Then only it will be understand. Then only it will give the expected outputs. So that's why this is very important part that everyone must keep in mind. So I will give one example so that you can understand. This is the prompt template we have to use every time. Okay, sorry. So here you can see the template of the prompt here, right? How the template will be. What is template here? Template means it's something like predefined message, you can say. So I am enter your persona, who you are. And after that, you can say, state your aim and state your target audience. After that, you can say your theme and structure. For example, I have given a particular kind of query here, maybe a prompt here. What is that? I am a middle school history educator. So it is clearly saying about who who is going to communicate with the uh, model, okay, ChatGPT model, okay, right. So now after that, I am writing that design an engaging classroom activity for 8th grade students about creating collaborative digital timeline. See here how the aim is very clear. So the person, the teacher, the educator is going to address the classroom of the 8th grade classroom. The target audience are fixed here, right? 8th grade students. And what is his aim? The aim is to engaging his classroom activity by collaborative digital timeline. So you want to make it some timeline to this to his classroom, okay, on a particular topic maybe, right. The activity should be uh, incorporate and storytelling technology. Okay, you are saying the structure, how it will be, the how the system has to develop the activity. So it look like a storytelling. It look like a technology. And what is the time you are allotting? You have to say the time allotment is 3 to 4 periods. That is 60 minutes for each one. The format, this is an outline. Okay, see here how we are designing a prompt in a professional way. So I'm requesting my audience and everyone, kindly concentrate on this one, because if we know the way of professionally giving a prompt to the system, the way how we professionally give it, the professionally it will give the response. Otherwise, it will create a bias for us. Something it is say and something we are